Winter storm warning now in effect from noon Wednesday to 10 a.m. Thursday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 12 to 20 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour.
Welcome back, everyone. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As you guys can see, we're ice fishing. Today's a unique situation because we actually have a blizzard coming through today, so it's gonna get a little bit tough. I got here nice and early. I set up 3 tip-ups, and I'm actually set up on a nice steep hump. So fingers crossed, hopefully we get onto a nice bite. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in, and let's go get some fish. Okay. Now let's get fishing. Oh yeah, it's taking off. Let's see. I don't know if there's anything on there still, but it doesn't hurt to check. Let's look into them. See what we got. Oh my Lord. What a perch. Oh my God, guys. Look at this perch. Look at what a tank. We don't want to keep anything that big. Let's go. Yep, got him finally. Let's see what this is. Oh, a nice little perch. Nice. God, man, this one made me fight for it. All right, buddy. Go get your friends. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, flag. Flag. Finally. Oh yeah, he's running. He was running. Yeah, got him. Whatever it is, I got it. Seems to be a little bit nicer of a fish, whatever this is. I think this is a pickerel. I don't think this is a perch. Come on, buddy. Oh, is that a bass? No, it's a pickerel. Oh, okay. That's a fat one. Perfectly. Oh, hooked perfectly on the side of the mouth. Look at that. Guys, this is a nice one too. Look at that. Okay, Nice. Oh, flag. Yeah. Still taking line. Yeah. Got him. Does not feel too big. Took a lot of line. Oh my lord. What a freaking perch. Oh my god. Boys, look at this. Oh god, what a tank. Oh my lord, look at that. Wow. Another absolute beast. Oh yeah, it's taking line, it's taking line, it's taking line. It's taking a lot of, oh yeah, he's taking a lot of line. Like that. Yeah, got him. This feels a little bit heavier, whatever this is. I think it's a pickerel probably. If it's a perch, it's a tank. No, no way. It's definitely a pickerel. Oh my god, it's a bass. What? It's a small, what is that? Oh my god, he's barely hooked. I can't get him up. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my lord, look at that. Barely hooked. Look at this tank. Boys, look at this. Look at that beast. Let's go. Oh. Wow guys, what a trip. Thank you so much for tuning in. We had an awesome time out on the lake. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let me know what you guys thought. I had an awesome time. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.